breathe you in and count to 10. I can't sleep in this town. I'm not